It is June 10th, about 10:30. We started installation at about 9 o'clock of 14 LTC discs. This is the primary wastewater treatment pond. The water will go into this pond first, where it will be treated and then transferred over to this constructed wetland, and next on to a irrigation holding reservoir, where it will be reused for irrigating the vines on the property. The wastewater system is designed to process 5,000 gallons a day at 5,000 BOD. It's guaranteed for 5 years to be odorless, meet discharge requirements, and is expected to be sludgeless for up to 20 years. The system is operated by 3 Kaiser blowers, each 7.5 horsepower. It will operate at 3.9 brake horsepower. During peak season, the system is expected to operate at 7.8 brake horsepower, which is about 3 times more efficient than the standard surface aerators used in winery wastewater currently. This truly is the future of winery wastewater. This is a closer look at the primary treatment lagoon, where EP Aeration is installing the 14 LTC discs. We're laying them out first and then deciding how to route the feeder tubing afterwards. The entire system is pressurized by this header pipe that manifolds the air down to the feeder tubing that go down to the diffusers. All the saddles are factory fused. All the HDPE pipe is butt fused as well. Here we have the injector ports for the hydrochloric acid cleaning, and butterfly valves that isolate either side of the system. We've now got all the diffusers placed where we'd like them to be, and we're running the feeder tubing from the header pipe down to each individual diffuser. Shove it in until it stops.
Always a good idea. Get that little band of nylon going right around. You can see the little ring extrude from the fitting. Let you know you've got a nice tight fit.
We've now finished the installation at Niner Wine Estates, the 14 LTC discs. It's currently about 2:30 in the afternoon. We took a 1-hour lunch for a total installation time of about 4.5 hours. Alright, now we're outside the blower room. We're standing about 8 feet from the blowers right now. You can just listen to how quiet they are. You can tell it's so quiet you could have a conversation in here, no problem. The nice control panels. Are they still on?
Hey, Keith, salesman. You'll notice that there's 16 diffusers, and with all 3 blowers running, about all the difference you see is the speed of the bubble pattern rising. There's just one going, it'll be a little bit slower, more gentle looking. Obviously, when it'll look pretty much the same when there's 15 feet of water in as it does right now. So that's moving an incredible amount of water and producing a lot of oxygen into the water, and it will certainly get better as it gets deeper once you're allowed to put some water in there.
Well, the shadows aren't working with us, but this is Niner Wine Estates, December 2nd, 2009. System's been through a full season of crush, no odors, No problems. No noisy surface aerators. Just nice, gentle laminar flow bubbles. It's about 8 feet deep right now.